How to create a sales funnel for your business. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to set up a simple little sales funnel for your business. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do with any business is to set up your website. It is very essential in the 21st century that you have a website. So you can use any kind of website builder that you want. Wix is a very simple and easy to use one that provides you with a lot of templates that you can use to set up your website. Now, you're just going to click on create new site over here once you log on to your Wix account. And then you're just going to select the platform that you want to use. You're going to continue with Wix. And you can just sign up for Wix using your Gmail address, your Facebook account, your Apple ID. So it's not really a difficult setup. And then you're just going to click on online store or whatever kind of e-commerce platform that you have. So I'm just going to continue on with that. And I'm just gonna click on next over here. And then you're going to choose if you want to use the Wix ADI, which is basically artificial intelligence, to create your website, or if you want to use the Wix website editor, where you can pick out a template and edit that. So I'm gonna go with the template route over here. And you're just gonna click on edit a template, and then you can pick out any one of these templates. I'm going to continue on with this accessories store template. And we're just going to wait for this to load up on our screen. And now you can see over here, this is the Wix website editor. So on your left, you have all of your website editing tools, and then you have your basic website set up. I have quite a few videos detailing on how to edit and create your own Wix store. So you can watch one of those to go into detail, but I'm just going to publish this basic website, and I'm just going to use a standard domain. So I'm just gonna add raw tech, and I'm just gonna continue with this domain. Now, once you have published your Wix website, you get a website dashboard. So you can click on publish now. And then once you are done and your website is published and live, you can go onto your dashboard over here. So from here, you're actually going to manage the business end of your website. So how do you really go on about to create a sales funnel after your website? Okay, you have a website, you have an online presence. How do you actually add a sales funnel? Well, once you have done that, you're going to go into this dashboard. Now, after you have done that, you're going to click on applications over here or apps, and then you're just going to click on app market. And over here, you're going to integrate Mailchimp. So Mailchimp is a simple to use email marketing software where you can easily send welcome emails, thank you emails, and all of those basic kind of emails onto your Wix store. So you're just going to add Mailchimp. You can find Mailchimp over here, and you can see Mailchimp email marketing, and you can click on add to site. And then you can just add Mailchimp to your website, or you can just log on to Mailchimp directly. So I already have a Mailchimp account, so I'm just going to log in, or you can even sign up for free using Google or any other email account that you have. And then you can just click on create over here, click on design email, and then you can create like a standard welcome email or a standard thank you email for every time someone joins or purchases a item. So how do you actually set up the automation? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on automations over here. You're going to click on customer journey. You're going to click on create new journey, and then you can name the journey. So this could be a welcome coupon, and then you're going to click on start building. And this is a very important step of any sales funnel, is to offer a initial coupon. So whatever website you might have, whatever e-commerce store you have, you want to offer a initial freebie or a initial coupon or discount on your website. So you're going to click on choose a starting point, and you're going to click on contact activity. And when a person signs up, so this is going to be the initial trigger. When a person signs up, you're going to drag and drop this onto the plus icon. So when a person signs up, they get an email, and then you can click on this, and you're going to select a template, and then you're just going to add the email with the discount into that sales journey or that automated sales journey. So I have this automation sample email, and I'm just going to select that, and I'm gonna save and return the journey. So this automation email that I had already designed had like a simple little discount, and after that you can add a if else trigger below the email, and you can click on add condition. So if it was did not click, you're going to save that. So if they did not click any of your emails, you can click on send email onto the yes. So if they did not click on any of your emails, you can send them another email with another discount, or you can even just close them and ungroup them. So that is how easy and simple it is to add or integrate your second step to your sales funnel for your business. Now, after you have set up your basic website, your landing page, your e-commerce store, and set up your basic welcome emails and thank you emails, make sure to add your payment methods as well. So you can integrate Stripe as your payment gateway for your Wix website. So for that, you just have to log on to Stripe with any of your email addresses. You're going to go into your dashboard on Stripe, and then from here, you're going to click on Connect over here. And once you click on Connect, you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on Wix over here in their top partners. And then you can integrate Stripe into your Wix website. So you just have a simple integration with Stripe and Wix. So people can purchase your item and they can pay online with Stripe to your account. So you're just going to click on Login over here, connect with my Google account, and I'm just going to log on to Wix via Stripe to make sure that both of these are integrated with each other, and I have a payment gateway for the e-commerce store that I'm running. So you can choose whatever store that you want. You can go into the dashboard and go into their applications, click on Marketplace, and then you can just click on Stripe over here as well, or you can connect it directly from the Stripe integration, like so. And now you can just simply select whatever kind of store you want to add your Stripe payment getaway to. So that is how simple and easy it is to have like a simple sales funnel for your business or for your store. Now, there are quite a few tips and tricks that you need to keep in mind. First off, whatever your domain name is, after a while, I would recommend connecting your own domain. The reason for that is that a standard Wix domain or whatever kind of website builder that you're using, they're gonna give you a free domain, but those free domains don't look very appealing to customers. So eventually, I would recommend that you upgrade and you purchase your own domain name. So you can just click on buy a new domain name and buy a domain name that fits your business the best. Now, after that, I would also recommend that you set up the SEO of your website. So, what you're going to do is you're just going to take a look at the analytics on your Wix dashboard. And from here, what you're just going to do is you're going to click on marketing and SEO. And then you're going to find all of your marketing and SEO related tools over here and just take a look at the products that are doing well, the words that are being searched on your website, the kind of words that are getting the most amount of views or site views, whatever links are generating the most site views. Try to replicate those kinds of words in the rest of your listings as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create a simple sales funnel for your business using Wix, Stripe, and Mailchimp. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.